My lovely child. To attract better, you have to become better yourself. You cannot do the same things and expect change. You cannot blame anyone or anything. It is time to take responsibility for your reality. Start transforming your mindset. Start upgrading your habits. Start being more positive. Type yes if you agree with this. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts and always remain positive and optimistic. We get what we think, so by thinking positive, life will be automatically positive. Type yes if you agree with this, and also subscribe God's Manifesto and on the notification.